A bold new vision for Lexus performance stole the big show at Monterey Car Week, generating immediate buzz from enthusiasts and insiders both. This fresh concept vehicle encapsulates not just the direction of the company's sports division in the future, but also the innovative spirit behind Lexus's future direction in design and engineering. Unlike so many theoretically conceived headliners that appear at large car shows, this car has very firm hints that it could well turn into a road-going production automobile in the not-too-distant future. Its purpose remains unclear, sparking speculation regarding whether Lexus is developing it as a successor to the iconic LFA, a spiritual successor to the LC Coupe, or the launch of an entirely new high-performance line. Whatever the course of action, the concept makes a dramatic first impression, promising an exciting future for the brand. Design-wise, the Sport Concept represents a bold forward leap in Lexus design thinking. While the 2021 electrified Sport Concept had all the futurism and gestural geometry, this latest interpretation is more down-to-earth. Its design is more akin to athleticism and sophistication in equal measure. A raked hood heightens mechanical drama at the front, and a low and wide stance provides immediate road presence. Big alloy wheels round out the arches with confidence, while a swooping roofline curves unbroken to the rear. Speaking of a marriage of traditional sports car style and details more typical of luxury grand tourers, elegance and precision come together with brutishness at the front, with L-shaped LED headlights flowing seamlessly into the aerodynamic intakes, a design element that speaks to Lexus's skill for marrying technology and art. Day running lights in a diamond shape are concealed until being powered on, keeping a clean and chiseled-looking fascia when unpowered. The traditional spindle grille, a design signature of Lexus since more than a decade, gives way to a more aggressive stance. In its place, carefully chiseled surfaces and tightly shaped bumpers give a sense of power without being ornate. The overall effect is a front fascia that is modern and timeless. Looking at the profile, the car reveals its strongest points of reference to Lexus's heritage. Subtle vents located before the front wheel arches remind one of aerodynamic treatments on the now-departed LFA supercar, creating a clear visual link to the company's most hallowed performance icon. The C-pillar also boasts the murmurs of the V10 legend, albeit with a contemporary twist. From above, the car's silhouette is even more irresistible. Wing-like extensions like flying buttresses appear to channel air directly to the functioning rear spoiler, which is located on top of the short and tightly straked rear deck. The back combines drama with simplicity. A single LED light bar spans the length, broken only by a lighted Lexus badge at center. Such a sharp horizontal graphic makes the car appear wider and more rooted. Down low, the rear diffuser is attention-grabbing, cut in angular lines with an F1-like central brake light. The motorsport detailing, apart from filling out the design, also reinforces the car's performance-focused philosophy. Though Lexus has remained mum about interior details, glimpses from marketing images give interesting glimpses of what lies within. A computer screen dashboard is the focal point of the driver's vision, suggesting an in-cab environment deeply integrated with computer-controlled systems. Instead of a typical steering wheel sits a smooth yoke-look design, a potential sign of advanced drive-by-wire technology. Such a system would redefine drivers' interactions with their vehicles on a basic level, separating mechanical limitations and offering avenues for personalized feedback. Perhaps the most intriguing thing thus far is a roof-mounted device containing 4 facing outward cooling fans encircling a glowing central fin. Such an unusual design flourish implies sophisticated thermal control for high-performance electric components. Performance specifications are not disclosed, but the absence of traditional exhaust pipes is telling. Everything indicates an all-electric powertrain. In line with prior statements from Lexus management, about the direction of future sports cars. It's rumored that by 2026, the company will unveil a flagship electric sports car to replace the old LC while keeping the LFA heritage alive. Several years back, Lexus president Koji Sato stressed that any electric replacement needs to capture the emotional essence of the LFA, even without the soundtrack of a naturally aspirated V10. A possible solution he mentioned was the idea of a simulated manual transmission, which would give drivers the feel of shifting through gears even in an electric platform. These breakthroughs are not about want, but safeguarding driving enjoyment in a world where smoothness and quietness would inevitably dominate. If it were implemented, the feature could make the Lexus sports car unique, closing the gap between raw engagement and sophisticated electrification. Apart from conjecture, the concept has another important function: producing a halo product. Every performance brand thrives or dies on a flagship car that is a target to aim for, while influencing the remainder of the family. If Lexus brings this vehicle out with this present blend of technology, design, and audacious engineering, it will be the standard for the company for years. Features making their debut here, be they aerodynamic strategies, interface solutions, or electric drive technologies, will almost invariably filter down into more mainstream Lexus models globally. Equally significant is the manner in which the design stretches the envelope without compromising brand character. Lexus vehicles have been known for angular lines, combative grilles, and a sense of urbane ferocity. That DNA is retained here, but reimagined as something slimmer and more futuristic. Instead of leaning on known tropes, it offers new proportions and sinuous lines, somehow rendered exotic but within grasp. The move from the spindle grille to a chiseled aerodynamic solution could be the beginning of a new Lexus design era. This Monterey Car Week unveiling emphasizes how seriously Lexus wants the world to take the concept. Monterey is not your average car show. It's the stage where legends are celebrated, exotic vehicles are unveiled, and car culture converges at its best. To be noticed among vintage Ferraris, specially made Lamborghinis, and limited Bugattis requires more than appearance. It requires presence. The Sport Concept delivered just that, stopping eyes not just for its looks, but for the promise of a technology-ahead future. As electric performance vehicles become more common, differentiation is everything. While unrestricted acceleration figures are likely to dominate the headlines, hard enthusiasts desire more: soulful design, insightful engagement, and personality that endures well beyond initial enthusiasm. Lexus appears poised to deliver just that. The Sport Concept is not so much an EV wearing sports car clothing. It is an exercise in the interface between emotion and technology within a vehicle true to the brand's spirit. Ultimately, this vehicle is both promise and provocation. It is a promise that Lexus will continue to compete in the world of performance, even as the world moves to electrification. It is a provocation to enthusiasts and competitors alike, in that it demonstrates that luxury and emotion can be mixed together absolutely perfectly in an electric package. While questions remain, what will it be? How will it power it? When will it launch? The replies seem not so urgent as the statement that it makes. Lexus is on the verge of opening a new chapter in performance, one that honors the past while embracing the future with confidence.